So we're going to walk through the process of installing JunoSYNC in Magento and connecting it with your Salesforce org. This video assumes that you've already installed Juno orders into your org. Once you install Juno orders into your org, you're going to have to generate what's called a WSDL file. That is done by going to the setup, typing in API. Right here, generate enterprise WSDL file. You can go ahead and select the package version from Juno orders, hit generate. The file is then generated. So in order to save this, you just right click, save as, and then you can name the file. And if you want to see the naming convention that we're going to use, it's going to look just like this right here. So salesforce.wsdl.xml. This will be part of the installation. So it'll look just like that. There you go. We'll be using that file in just a moment. So you've been provided a link to download the extension, a zip file, and when it's uncompressed, it will look like this. This folder here will go kind of right on the root. It will go on the root. So we look at a folder structure here. You will see this is your root right here. You're going to put the JunoSYNC. This will be the SOAP files for connecting with Salesforce, and then in there is where once you copy this over, you're going to put right in this folder the WSDL file that you just downloaded from Salesforce. In fact, it will go right into the SOAP client folder here. So it'll be the root, JunoSYNC, SOAP client, and then that WSDL file will drop in there. The other uncompressed files, you just kind of follow the path and drop these files where they need to go in their respective folders. And then once you have those steps completed, you can move along to authenticating to Salesforce using the extension. So this is what the extension looks like when it's installed, and you'll go to the configuration. Hopefully, if you're familiar with Salesforce, you'll know this is just your username, your password, and then your security token. And then, of course, we're looking in that folder for that WSDL file, and then you'll be able to test the Salesforce connection, and it will test successfully. Once you have that connection, then you can move along to the user manual, which is just kind of going through the configuration settings for setting up the sync with Salesforce.